Hey loves, welcome back to Corals and Kids with Lyrie. I know I'm coming at you looking all cute. It's a lie. But we are about to zhuzh this hair into a bomb look, and this is all the products that we need. So these are the products I'm going to use to style my hair into really nice, simple high puff. And for those who don't know yet, we are doing a 5 days of Christmas challenge where I'll be giving you a video every single day showing you how I style my hair, especially this festive season. We know we have places to go and we need to rock our hair the way it is. So I'll be showing you simple lovely styles on your natural hair, and trust you me, they are simple. You're going to look bomb. People will be asking you, where did you get your hair done, sis? I'm just giving my hair a quick moisture routine. What I usually use is my leave-in, like you've seen, my oils, and then I seal that. But for this style, because it's a high puff, I will be mixing my megagrowth hair lotion and my shea butter just to seal that moisture in, because my hair will be out. I don't want it to dry out, so I'll be mixing these two so that that moisture can be sealed and my hair won't dry out. I am also using this sheth Naturals Mizizi Growth Oil just to protect my edges. I'm also trying to grow back my edges. My edges have really been suffering. I know I'm trying to grow them back. So this oil has helped so far. And also I'm oiling my scalp because we need to moisture everywhere. The reason I have braided my hair like this is because I want to stretch it out. At the same time, I have moisturized it in sections. You want to always moisturize your hair in sections. If you don't do that, your hair is going to suffer. Now that our hair is all moisturized, all stretched, what you want to do is you want to brush up your hair, and you also want to make sure your hair is fully moisturized and fully detangled, because working with tangled hair is it's a no for me. So make sure your hair is fully detangled. I am using a couple of brushes for my hair because I want to reach even those tiny hair strands at the nape of my head. I want to make sure that everything is slicked down, so that when I apply my gel, I won't have to apply a lot of gel to slick down my hair. So that's why I've used 3 different brushes. And now to my gel that has a little bit of hair. See, that's the amount of gel I'm going to use all throughout my hair. You don't want to use a lot of gel because at times gels tend to cut your hair, and in this channel we are trying to grow our hair and not cut it. So don't use too much gel. Make sure your hair is detangled. That is the key. Detangle your hair first, so that when you're applying your gel, you only need a little bit. You see how my hair smooths down easily because it's already detangled, and I have already brushed it up with a few brushes, so that there is no place that the gel will clump up. Another thing, what this brush is doing, I'm like training my hair to like lay flat upwards. So as I brush it, it's like I'm training it to stay that way. So there's something called training hair. Okay, now this is a strap that I'm going to use. I know it's a little bit off. The color is a little bit off, but then it's going to be hidden. Nobody is going to see it. And now to the fun part. This is my favorite part of just seeing my hair slick up. Oh, that's so therapeutic. You see that? You see that? I love that part. And then you bring the straps to the front. Make sure you tie it up, and then you just hide those loose ends, and you're good. I'm going to use the same gel to do a little bit, a minimal, the most bare minimum of my edges. I don't like exaggerated edges. I just like something that looks very natural. So, but if you like your edges exaggerated, do you, boo? Do you? But for me, I just like my edges looking very simple and subtle. Then tie that down with a headscarf or a head wrap. Leave it for 5 minutes so that the edges can settle and your hair can settle. And voila! Thank me later. Merry Christmas. See? See? You see how we're looking? You see how cute? How beautiful? How handsome? No, I'm just joking. Mm. Check her out. Check her out. You see how my hair is shining, guys? You see how it's shining? It's because I have moisturized it to the gods. Moisture, moisture, moisture. And with that moisture, my hair won't dry out throughout the day. So take it from me. Double up on your moisture so that your hair won't dry out. Imagine that's it. Our hair is done. She's looking cute. She's looking beautiful. Everybody on the street is going to be asking you, where did you get your hair done? Merry Christmas. Bye. I love you.